Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let your imagination transport you. Imagine a world long before the dinosaurs, a time we call the Carboniferous Period. This era, spanning from about 359 to 299 million years ago, was a time of extraordinary growth and transformation. Lush, humid forests stretch as far as the eye can see. These forests are teeming with life, from the smallest plants to the tallest trees. Giant ferns taller than houses reach for the sky. Towering trees, some over 100 feet tall, dominate the landscape. The air vibrates with the drone of strange insects, creatures unlike any we know today. Massive dragonflies with wingspans of over 2 feet dart through the air. This is not a world for the faint of heart. The dense undergrowth hides many dangers. Danger lurks everywhere, hidden amongst the giant leaves and beneath the decaying logs. Predators, both large and small, are always on the hunt. But amidst the danger, there is beauty. The forest is a place of wonder and mystery. The sunlight filters through the canopy, painting the forest floor in dappled light. This interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing scene. The air is thick with the smell of damp earth and decaying vegetation. The rich, earthy aroma is a constant reminder of the cycle of life and death. This is the Carboniferous, a time of giants, a time when insects ruled the earth. It was a world vastly different from our own, yet it laid the foundation for the planet we know today. Look! High above the forest floor, a shadow detaches itself from the canopy. It's Meganeura, a dragonfly with a wingspan of almost 2 feet. Its wings, delicate as stained glass, catch the sunlight as it glides effortlessly through the air. This is no ordinary insect. It's a predator, its large compound eyes scanning the forest floor below for unsuspecting prey. Suddenly it dives, its wings beating a slow, powerful rhythm. A smaller insect, caught off guard, becomes a quick meal. Meganeura, the king of the Carboniferous skies, returns to its perch, its hunger momentarily satisfied. But the giants of the Carboniferous are not confined to the air. On the forest floor, amongst the ferns and mosses, something stirs. A giant millipede, Arthropleura, crawls through the undergrowth. It's longer than a man, its segmented body a symphony of movement. Its many legs carry it across the forest floor with surprising speed. This gentle giant is a herbivore, its powerful mandibles crushing the leaves and stems of ancient plants. But even giants have enemies. Hidden beneath the fallen leaves, predatory arthropods lie in wait, ready to pounce on the unwary. Life in the Carboniferous is a constant battle for survival. Section 4. Silent hunters in the shadows, scorpions, and the rise of the predators. In the dimly lit undergrowth, danger lurks. The forest floor is a battleground where only the most cunning and ruthless survive. Giant scorpions, their pincers outstretched, stalk their prey with a silent, deadly precision. These creatures have evolved to become perfect hunters, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. These ancient arachnids, some as large as a house cat, are fearsome predators. Their size and strength make them formidable opponents in the wild. Their sting, delivered with lightning speed, can paralyze and kill even the largest insects. This venomous attack is both a defense mechanism and a means to secure their next meal. But they are not the only hunters in this primeval world. The forest is teeming with other predators, each with their own unique hunting strategies. Giant spiders spin webs as thick as fishing nets, trapping unsuspecting insects. These webs are marvels of natural engineering, capable of ensnaring even the most agile of prey. Centipedes, their bodies a blur of legs, dart through the undergrowth, hunting smaller invertebrates. Their speed and agility make them efficient and relentless predators. The Carboniferous is a world teeming with life, but it is also a world of constant danger. Every shadow hides a potential threat, and every movement could mean life or death. Every creature is both hunter and hunted, locked in a never-ending struggle for survival. In this ancient world, The balance of life is delicate, and only the strongest and most adaptable will endure. Section 5, A Breath of Deep Time, Why the Carboniferous Gave Rise to Giants. Why were insects so large during the Carboniferous? The answer lies in the air itself. During this period, oxygen levels were much higher than they are today. Insects which breathe through tiny tubes called tracheae thrived in this oxygen-rich environment. The abundance of oxygen allowed them to grow to enormous sizes. Their simple respiratory systems, highly efficient in this ancient atmosphere, fueled their growth and activity. The Carboniferous was truly the age of giant insects. Section 6, The Winds of Change. A world reshaped by fire and air. But the reign of the giant insects could not last forever. The Earth's climate began to change. The lush, humid forests gave way to drier, more arid environments. Wildfires, fueled by the dry vegetation, swept across the land. The oxygen levels began to drop. The giant insects, their enormous bodies no longer able to function efficiently, began to die out. The world of giants was coming to an end. Section 7. A new dynasty begins. The rise of reptiles and the legacy of giants. As the giant insects disappeared, a new group of animals began to rise, the reptiles. These early reptiles, such as Hylonomus, were small but incredibly agile, navigating the dense undergrowth with ease. They thrived in the lush, humid forests that covered much of the Earth during this period. These creatures, better adapted to the drier climate, would eventually give rise to the dinosaurs. Their ability to survive in a variety of environments allowed them to spread across the globe, laying the foundation for the age of the dinosaurs. But the legacy of the giant insects would live on. These enormous creatures, some as large as modern birds, played a crucial role in the ecosystems of their time, and their impact can still be seen in the fossil record. Their fossilized remains, preserved in the rocks for millions of years, provide us with a glimpse into a time when insects ruled the Earth. These fossils are invaluable to scientists, offering insights into the evolution of life and the conditions of ancient Earth. They remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the power of nature to both create and destroy. From the lush forests to the arid plains, the prehistoric world was a place of constant change and adaptation. The Carboniferous, a time of giants, may be long gone, but its mysteries continue to fascinate and inspire us today. The remnants of this era, preserved in stone, tell a story of a world both alien and familiar, a testament to the enduring legacy of life on Earth.